Now guys, today we're going to finish up this build with the lower receiver. Here's all the parts that I'm going to put into the build. I'll go over them more in detail in a minute. First off, we're going to start off with the Strike Industries Enhanced Boat Catch. I like these boat catches because they're extended. They're a lot bigger, easier to manipulate. So you got a lot of surface, guys, for your boat release and boat hold open. I really like those. Then I got the Strike Industries Lighten Pivot Pin and Takedown Pin. And these, I like these because they're a little different design. They're lightweight, and I think it'll make the build look real sleek. This is a pistol grip from Ming. I like these. They're big because I got big hands. Real rubber texture, real nice. And I got the Palmetto Short Long Throw Ambi Safety Selector. I like these because you get a lot bigger tabs on the end. Let me take it out of the bag so you can get a better look. You get a lot more surface area to manipulate your safety selector. Real smooth, slick design. They did a lot of detail on this. It's no sharp edges, all polished. Got a nice coating on it. And also, for the trigger, I'm going with a Geisley GS G2S. It's a 2-stage trigger. On the trigger itself, one stage is 2.73 to 3 pounds. The second stage is 1.4 to 1.7 pounds for a total pull of 4.2 to 4.75. It's non-adjustable curved trigger. Let me open it up. Here's the trigger, guys. I mean, Geisley make wonderful triggers. I'm going with the SB Tactical PDW brace. I think this brace actually make it a very small form factor. With the adjustments where to get smaller, or I can extend it out for. But I think this will be an excellent brace to go on the build. And also I got the PSA 9mm buffer. And I got the Strike Industries AR-10 flat wire spring. The reason I went with AR-10 for the AR-9, from everything I read and everything I've seen, that you want to use a AR-10 buffer spring. We're going to test that out because I heard that with 9 you have a lot of different variations that you need to mess with to make sure that you got the perfect buffer weight to get it to work as it should. And I got the Aero Precision lower. Well, let's get this together, guys, and I'll be right back and we'll see the final product. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. As you can see, the 9mm lower is all together now. The SB83 brace went on fairly easy. I like this brace to sort of keep it a small form factor. You know, extend it out if you want a little bit longer. Or if you want to store it, you know, close it up. The main brace, I actually like it. You know, it gives me a good purchase on the firearm. The Gossley trigger is very crisp and tactile. And your safety selector is definitely audible and tactile, as you can hear. The mag release, the bolt stop worked. Your pivot and takedown pin went in fairly easy. The only problem I think that I'm actually going to come up with, if I keep the gun, if I want to store it like this and I want to take the upper off, it sort of gets in the way, as you can see here with the takedown pin. But it's nothing for me to just, you know, pull it out. Then it's easy to get to. The PSA, as you can see, I'm back with the upper. I put it on there and let's see how the thing looks. Oh yeah, guys. Let me zoom out a little bit. Guys, look at this. I really like the way this turned out. But look at that, guys. That's really something. But guys, if you like what you're seeing today, you know, you want to see the shooting portion of the video, you know, where we go out and test this gun, this 9mm PCC. Follow me on Instagram. Like me on YouTube. Follow my videos. You know, share them. You know, but until then, guys, I'll catch you on the next one.